A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. What you've just heard is the Fashion Society Shillong signature tune. Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Miss Shillong 2025, organized by Fashion Society Shillong. May I mention that this is the 42nd edition of the annual beauty pageant, which is organized by Fashion Society Shillong. And we welcome each and every one of you, our dear friends and families, our special invitees, our respected judges, ladies and gentlemen, and to all our viewers who is viewing this pageant on live. We welcome you once again to this prestigious show this evening. Catherine, I must say that I feel so blessed to be back hosting the Miss Shillong show this year. And we've done it in the past years, but this is just something so exciting that we are feeling this year.
You're right. Every year I wait for this moment, and I'm hoping that you guys are just as excited as we are.
Indeed. For all our viewers online, we are coming to you live from our media partner, donbosco Media Network. And Catherine, I must say that as a person who have competed in pageants before, this is so thrilling, yet at the same time so exciting.
I'm sure it is, even as someone who has not competed, but I've seen the journey and the way the girls are preparing themselves for this one day. It's literally, really amazing, and hats off to the contestants and all the trainers as well.
Just to give you a heads up, the girls will have the opportunity to be skyrocketed into a journey of glamour and fame. And we must say that all these girls have really put the extra in the extra special this evening. We will be having special performances this evening by Berkey Lower Primary School Music Club, as well as from Carson Theo. We will also be having fashion shows, for which we would request you to anticipate until the later hours. Before we move on with the show, we have one of our special invitees who is present with us this evening. He is Sir Frederick Roy Kharkongor, NIS, and he is the Principal Secretary of the Government of Meghalaya. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give him a huge round of applause.
And as always, we have our wonderful judges ready for today's competition. And first off, we have Ms. Eva Rehun, my personal favorite. She is a dynamic professional with 19 years of diverse experience. She has spent 9 years as a cabin crew member, building strong communication and people skills. Today, she is a certified soft skill trainer, counselor, and a life coach with qualifications from India, New Zealand, and Malaysia. She is also passionate about early childhood education and has strengthened her leadership skills through training, including at IIM Shillong. As the director of 100-Fold Academy, Emmanuel Coaching Academy, and Mount Olive Culinary and Hospitality Management, she continues to inspire growth, confidence, and positive changes in the lives she touches. Everybody, please give it up for Ms. Eva Rehun.
Our next judge in the judging panel is the features editor at the Shillong Times, a leading newspaper in Meghalaya and Northeast India. Previously, she's worked in the development field pertaining to women's rights and capacity building of women in the interiors of India and Nepal, giving her passion for the issues of women's rights and gender studies. As a master's graduate of international relations from London School of Economics and Political Science, she started out her career in policy making in leading think tanks in New Delhi. Apart from her profession, Isha enjoys a compelling book, and her interests lie in architecture, photography, the culinary world, as well as traveling. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Miss Isha Chaudhary.
Tonight with us, we also have Ms. Michelle Seimle. She is a fashion writer and the managing editor of the Fashion Law Journal, one of the world's leading media platforms exploring the legal and cultural dynamics of the fashion industry. With a readership of over 2 million, FLJ collaborates with luxury houses, homegrown designers, artisans, models, influencers, and key fashion stakeholders. She has been a strong advocate for protecting creative and professional rights within the fashion ecosystem, contributing through lectures, training sessions, and impactful writing. Under her editorial leadership, FLJ has featured leadership conversations with global luxury brands such as Christian Dior, Dolce & Gabbana, and has covered major international fashion events, including the Met Gala and Dubai Fashion Week and Lakme Fashion Week as well. Please give it up for Ms. Michelle Seimle.
Up next in the judging panel, we have Mr. Nitin Khera. Mr. Nitin is a seasoned legal professional with over 15 years of practice, who has established a strong pan-Northeast presence across diverse branches of law. His areas of expertise encompass constitutional law, criminal law, infrastructure and transmission laws, and commercial legal practice, with a specialized focus on contractual, arbitration, electricity, and transmission regulations. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Mr. Nitin Khera.
And last but not the least, we have with us Trebok Talang. He is passionate about promoting education and inspiring children and youth to reach their fullest potential. Crowned Mr. Cherry Blossom 2023, Best Traditional Male Model at the Monolith Festival 2024, and Mega Mr. Meghalaya 2025. He has used his titles to connect with schools and communities, empowering young people through pageantries and outreach. He also represented Meghalaya at the National Youth Parliament in New Delhi. He holds a degree in political science and is currently pursuing legal studies with a focus on legislative law. Can we all give a big round of applause to Trebok Talang?
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. And before we move on with the show, I would like to reintroduce myself. My name is Marvin Carsono, and I'm going to be one of your hosts this evening. And with me I have...
Well, I am Catherine, most lovingly called Kate, and I am also going to host tonight's show with Marvin.
So, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to welcome all our contestants up on stage this evening? Can I hear some voices from you? Are you excited?
Oh, come on, that's not excitement. Are you excited? There we go.
All right, keep the excitement going. Before we bring all our contestants up on stage, we are going to begin with the first round of the pageant this evening, which is the introduction round. And we will be having a display of the introduction of each of the contestants here up on stage on our LED screen. So brace yourselves, everybody. Cheer for your favorite contestants. Until the end of this evening, let us give a huge round of applause for the introduction round of Miss Shillong 2025.
When it comes to your dreams, every risk you take is worth it. Khubor Khasi, a very good evening to my dear judges, to all my beautiful co-contestants and everyone present here. My name is Josephine Siemne and I am 22 years old. I have recently completed my Masters of Arts in English from Shillong College. I love singing and dancing. My motto in life is to work hard with determination. What defines me most is the power of positivity and how I carry an optimistic outlook even when life gets challenging. To me, beauty pageant is not only about the outer beauty, but the inner beauty of how you carry and represent yourself individually. It's beauty with purpose. And so here I am, as a contestant and a finalist of Miss Shillong 2025, to encourage and empower everyone to take a step forward, find your passion in whatever you're good at, work hard for it, give your best, believe in yourself, and make your dreams come true. Thank you and have a wonderful evening ahead. Khubor.
Empower, inspire, shine. These aren't just words, they are my mission. Good evening, everyone. My name is Prikiti K. Surang, currently pursuing my BA in English. But when I'm not studying, I'm creating as a makeup artist and through my own press-on nail business. Every face I paint, every nail I design tells a story about confidence, creativity, and self-expression. Beauty for me is more than appearance. It is purpose, impact, change. That's why I stand for animal welfare and women empowerment. Animal teaches empathy and women teaches resilience. And together, they teach us kindness and courage are timeless. Through this platform, I want to inspire people to believe in themselves, speak up for others, and to use their gift to make a difference. I want to show that every action can create a ripple change. I live by my motto every day: empower, inspire, shine. Thank you.
I firmly believe dreams are the wings that elevate us above every challenge, and confidence is the light that make us truly shine. Here at Miss Shillong, I stand proudly as a testament to being confidently beautiful with a heart. Namaste. My name is NEHU and I am 19 years old, an accomplished actor, a model, and a proud finalist for Miss Shillong. I hail from small pretty village where educated was challenged and the environment was rich in simplicity, love, and strong value. Growing up in such a place instilled me the importance of staying grounded, dreaming without limits, and never begging down. That little village girl, enormous dreams, now standing here with full of grace, confidence, and radiant smile, ready to shine, give my all, and inspire others to believe in their own journeys, regardless and beginnings. Thank you so much and dhanyabad.
With a heart full of grace and a passion fueled by determination. Good evening, esteemed judges and everyone present here today. My name is Isa Delia Barret, 20 years of age, hailing from a beautiful town, Kimusnyang Jowai. My potential has brought me here today as a proud finalist of Miss Shillong 2025. I firmly believe that true beauty lies in one's character, in carrying yourself with grace and treat others with love and respect. My heart finds joy in inspiring and uplifting young women through kindness, empathy, and resilience. In this journey, I carry along with me my compassion and determination. And I hope to break stereotypes and empower women to embrace their flaws, celebrate their strength, and to walk with confidence. It is truly an honor to share my story with you all and stand here before you. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening.
Every woman carries a story, and today I stand ready to share mine with grace, passion, and purpose. Greetings to you all. My name is Agnes Lingdo, 24 years old, and I'm pursuing my career in optometry. To me, vision is more than the ability to see. It is the ability to live fully. Through this field, I aspire not to only treat patients in clinics and hospitals, but to seek beyond those walls. I dream to work with NGOs and government initiatives, conducting free eye camps in rural areas, screening children in schools, and also to raise awareness about eye help and eye donation, because I believe that a child's education and an individual's dream should not be hampered because of poor vision. Alongside this path of science and service, my soul finds its rhythm in ballet. Dance has always been my way of learning discipline, resilience, and grace. But more than that, it is my way of giving it back to the society, because I believe that dance can heal, inspire, and empower, whether it is bringing joy to children, creating comfort, or teaching young girls to express themselves with confidence. And I hope through it, I can touch lives and create change in the society. This pageant for me is more than a stage. It is a platform where my passion and my purpose unite. And through this journey of Miss Shillong 2025, I hope to inspire others to live with compassion, confidence, and authenticity. Thank you, Khuborjylla, Mithila.
Good evening, everyone. I am Bashika Walatma. I am a graduate, and I believe that the true essence of life is found in perseverance and the pursuit of happiness. My journey started as a security guard, where I learned valuable lessons about responsibility and the power of kindness. Later, while working as a telecaller, I realized that a simple smile or a few encouraging words can really brighten someone's day. Happiness isn't something that waits for us at the end of a journey. It is something that we create each day through act of kindness and resilience. Every challenge we face is an opportunity for growth. Regardless of our background and the hardship we face, we all possess the ability to cultivate happiness and spread love. I aim to inspire others to believe in themselves and to find beauty in their own journey. Thank you for letting me share my story. Together we can make the world a happier and brighter place.
Dance is the mother of the art, as Martha Graham once said. Hello, I am Elizabeth Lingdo, a 16-year-old student of Sacred Heart Girls Higher Secondary School. I am in class 11 and I was born and raised in this beautiful city of Shillong. As a passionate dancer, I am thrilled to participate in Miss Shillong, not just to showcase my beauty, but also to share the love I have for dance and inspire others. Dance allows me to express myself, tell compelling stories, and connect with people on a greater level. With every step, leap, and movement, I aim to spread positivity through young minds. And I'm eager to learn, grow, and shine in this platform, and I'm so grateful for this opportunity. Thank you so much, Khuborjylla. If you want to make it true, be true to yourself. Be you. Hello everyone, I am Ilasara Thongni, a 16-year-old girl born and raised in this beautiful city, often called the Scotland of Wales. I am a state-level athlete and an NCC cadet. And today, as Miss Shillong 2025 finalist, I stand here before you with a clear purpose to inspire others to embrace their authentic selves and use their voices for change. The greatest influence in my life is my mother, a single parent who raised me with love and courage, teaching me confidence, consistency, and resilience. She proves to me every day that a woman's strength is unconquerable, and she is the reason I am here today. Beyond my journey, I am an artist at heart.
I am unique and I am ambitious, which is why anything that involves art excites me. But writing is where I find my truest voice. I believe that through writing I can inspire minds, awaken hearts, and spark a change. At just 16 years of age, I stand here before you, not merely to compete. At just 16 years of age, I am here not merely to compete, but to prove that age does not define our potential, but what does is confidence, courage, and the dignity with which we face challenges. Today, I'm wearing a yellow dress, not just as a color, but as a symbol of happiness, creativity, and joy. Above all, enlightenment and wisdom, the values that I hope to share. Like the color yellow, bright, fearless, and full of light, I'm here to inspire confidence, hope. Like the color yellow, bright, fearless, and full of light, I'm here to inspire confidence, hope, and positive change. Thank you. Khubor, Dhanyavad.
Good evening, judges and all audience present here. My name is Sanjita Thapa. I'm 19 years old and I'm from Shillong. I'm currently pursuing my English honors from St. Mary's College. Modeling has always been my passion because it allows me to express a confidence, creativity, and elegance. I believe that the beauty of my confidence and the grace, and I also aim to inspire the other people through my journey. Thank you.
Kuble and warm greetings to everyone. I deem it a great honor to stand before you today, representing not only my aspirations, but also the dreams and values that I hold dear. My name is Jolene Ansiling Moplang, 22 years of age, born and raised in the heart of Shillong, a heaven where nature, culture, and spirit entwine. Currently, I am pursuing my master's in philosophy, a subject that has taught me not just to ask questions, but to seek answers that matter. I aspire to become an IAS officer and represent voices that are often unheard and help build a system that serves with heart. Growing up in Shillong, I've seen both its beauty and its struggles. From the rising voices of the youth to the quiet pain of unemployment, addiction, and self-doubt. The rising prevalence of drug abuse amongst youth affects families, erodes potentials, and steals futures. I want to use this platform to reach out to those who are quietly battling with self-doubt and addiction, those who feel overlooked and unsure of their place. If my journey can remind even one person that their story matters, that they are seen, heard, and valued, then I know I'm walking the right path. I stand here not just as a contestant, but as a young woman who believes in the strength of community, the value of purpose, and the possibility of a better tomorrow. Thank you.
I believe that a strong woman is not defined by victories alone, but by the grace, courage, and the fire to rise every time she falls. Greetings to everyone. I am Khuborkhasi, 23 years, and I have deep compassion and empathy for people and love helping those who are in need. My ambition in life is to constantly challenge myself to learn and to grow both professionally and personally. Today, I might not be just a beauty pageant contestant, but by day I am an emergency nurse, and my passion lies in saving lives. I stand here not as someone defined only by roles, but as a soul who believes in the beauty of resilience and the strength of dreams. I am a seeker of growth and a believer that every challenge shapes us into the person we are destined to become. I would like to take this moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to Fashion Society Shillong for providing a platform that celebrates the grace and strength of women. Khuborjylla.
The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. These lines from Robert Frost's poem always remind me that my dreams and my goals should never be driven by the fascinating distractions of this world. Greetings, everyone. I am Nimrat Ranhotra and I come from this very vibrant city of Shillong. I am currently pursuing my class 12 in St. Edmund's Higher Secondary School. From scratch, my interests have aspired me to become a fashion designer. Yet, the allure of politics always intrigues me. The one social issue that I feel strongly about is the caste system. I believe it gives rise to unjust ascribed statuses and also paves way for social evils like untouchability, which fortunately does not exist in the Northeast. Embracing my femininity, I'm on a journey to fulfill my childhood dream of being crowned. A promise I made to my younger self, the one I'll keep, and a future I am determined to claim. This was all about me in a nutshell. Thank you.
Carrying the earth's heartbeat within me, committed to restoring nature's heartbeat one step at a time, and also turning awareness into action. Good evening, esteemed judges, ladies and gentlemen. I am Vandapi Kharman, 20 years old. I am currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in social work. I carry deep compassion for the people, community, and nature. Besides my academic endeavors, I indulge myself in hiking, modeling, performing arts, and I believe that it also inspires me a deep connection between humanity and nature. Hailing from Shillong, the rock capital of India, also renowned for its astonishing beauty of nature, I stand here to advocate for environmental protection and sustainable future. I firmly believe that the community and environment are deeply intertwined with each other, and together, as a whole, we can make a change. Standing here as one of the finalists of Miss Shillong 2025, I firmly believe that beauty is incomplete without responsibility, and being responsible means caring for both people and nature. Thank you. Khuborjylla, Mithila.
Hello everyone, I am Jarwin Kongsit, your Miss Shillong 2025 finalist. I am a model, pageant aspirant, and preparing for the competitive exams. I started my beauty pageant journey in the year 2022, which made me courageous, resilient, and kind. To shine to your brightest light is to accept yourself and to be who you truly are. And I should be your next Miss Shillong because I can be the face of Meghalaya and carry the strength and the beauty of our beautiful state at the global platform. And I believe if we follow our passion, success will follow us. Thank you, Khuborjylla.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of dreams. Good evening, esteemed judges, ladies and gentlemen. I am Ariana Sasha Wardry and I'm truly humbled to be part of this celebration of beauty, intelligence and purpose. With a heart that beats to the rhythm of music and a soul that soars with every step, I'm driven by passion and creativity. As I aspire to spread my wings as an air hostess, I'm excited to take on new heights, rich cultures, and inspire others. Through this platform, I aim not only to discover my own potential, but also to empower others to do the same. I believe that confidence and self-belief are the key to unlocking our true potential, and I'm eager to use this opportunity to build my own confidence while also inspiring others to do the same. And I'm eager to use this platform to build my confidence while inspiring young minds to do the same. I'm honored to represent the beauty and spirit of Shillong, and I'm ready to make a difference, to shine, empower, and make a difference as a Miss Shillong contestant. Thank you. Khuborjylla.
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Pragati Thapa, a 17-year-old girl who was born and brought up to this majestic place of hills, Shillong, also known as Scotland of the East. Modeling is a place where I truly found myself, and also a place where I learned how to be confident while being humble and also how to tackle up all my problems while being positive and embrace my inner beauty. As analyzing this generation, I feel humanization is drastically getting changed and people's perspective are becoming harsher day by day. Today, I stand here to share my perspective against the world, and I truly feel that people need to change. As we all know that famous quote, or it might be common too, that charity begins at home. So it is our duty, being a civilized Indian, that we share love and humility among each and everyone. Thank you and have a majestic day ahead. Thank you.
I believe that beauty comes from within, from radiating confidence. Greeting everyone, I am Ibansa Nongrom, 16 years old, hailing from a beautiful place where beauty meets nature, Nongstoin, Meghalaya. My hobbies include cooking and crocheting. My aim in life is to become a teacher. Being a teacher gives me a platform to inspire all young minds. For me, participating in Miss Shillong just not my vision is for the crown, but to inspire all young women out there to come out from the comfort zone, voice their opinion. I would like to end my statement saying, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of the mind, and I believe mine. Thank you, Khuborjylla. Have a great evening.
I strive to embody not only beauty and intelligence, but also the power of compassion and the strength of character. Hello, my name is Tasa Saldambeti Sangma, and I'm 20 years old. My passions encompass everything from the art of anime to the profound narratives found in literature. I confidently embrace my journey, stepping forward with purpose. Beyond the surface of glitter and glamour, I am fueled by the genuine desire to make my parents proud and to contribute positively to the world around me. My aim in competing for the title of Miss Shillong is not just for the recognition, but to act as a beacon of hope, a reminder that we can all make a meaningful difference. This role is an opportunity to raise a powerful voice, ignite changes, and to support causes that resonate deeply with me. My guiding philosophy is to focus on being better rather than striving for perfection. Kindness is a foundation to understanding that, and together we can create a brighter future for all of us. Thank you so much, Matella and Khuborjylla.
Graceful greetings to everyone. I am Matrika Chaudhary, and I believe destiny favors those bold enough to chase it. 21 years old, I am currently pursuing my graduation. My passions lie in aviation and modeling, two worlds that may seem different, but both demand discipline, elegance, and the courage to rise above limits. Through modeling and pageantry, I embrace expressions, presence, and true beauty. Through aviation, I dream of reaching greater heights, proving that no sky is too distant for a determined heart. I was raised by my mother, whose strength and resilience laid the foundation of my life. She faced every challenge with grace, and while doing so, taught me that even in the absence of what we once had, it is possible to rise with grace and move forward with courage. My height is my edge. It gives me strength on the runway and grace in aviation. A statement that I always rise above. This journey is profoundly significant for me, as it is my very first pageant. It is more than a debut, it's a testament to courage, ambition, and the resolve to transform dreams into reality. As I stand before you through the stage, I do not stand as merely a contestant, but as a woman who faces every challenge with courage, empowers those beside her, and carries integrity and kindness in every step. This stage for me is more than a competition. It is proof that with strength and ambition, every dream can take flight. With that, I extend my heartfelt thanks for your attention. Khuborjylla.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was just the beginning of the pageant. This evening is the introduction round of our contestants. And must I say that it's one of my favorite parts because introduction truly gives you an insight as to who these girls are. But, ladies and gentlemen, the night is just very young, so we are still yet to see what these contestants have to present up on stage this evening.
Hello, check, yeah. But so far, who do you think is your favorite? Who do you think is gonna win? I love that energy. Well, we're getting there. And for the first time in today's show, you are gonna see the ladies up on the stage in the first round, which is the recycled gown round. Each of these talented women have transformed trash into treasure, showing us that when creativity meets purpose, the results are nothing short of dazzling. Let's give one more round of applause for the eco-fashion trailblazers.
Give it up for all your contestants up on stage now, ladies and gentlemen. Up on stage, all the contestants, ladies and gentlemen, once again. We have up on stage contestant number 5, Agnes Lingdor. Keep the applause going, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome contestant number 6, Bashika Walatma.
Up next, we have contestant number 7, Elizabeth Lingdor.
And now, please welcome contestant number 8, Ila Risa Pangni.
continue the recycled round with contestant number 9, Sanjita Thapa.
Could you also give it up for the very dazzling Jolene A. Lingdor?
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome contestant number 11, Rimika Shula.
Only some can understand it. The kind of swag that only comes from my design. See, I'm not sensitive to who you think I is. I've been created for a purpose that is solely his. Know what I'm worth and hey, don't plan on playing games.
Our contestant number 12, the very beautiful Nimrit Ranhotra.
And watch that fire deep inside you never die.
Taking the stage is contestant number 13, Wanda P. Carbamon.
Yeah, they dragged you down and left you low, but they can't take your soul. Set it free, let it go. You gotta fight.
Now in front of you is your contestant number 13, Wanda Carbamon.
That is the contestant number 14, ladies and gentlemen, Jarwin Kongsit. We continue on with contestant number 15, Ariana Wadri.
And now, contestant number 16, Miss Pragati Thapa.
Next up, we have contestant number 17, Iban Sara Nongrom.
Please also welcome contestant number 18, Hasa Samla.
Funky kind of swag, only some can understand it. The kind of swag that only comes from my design. See, I'm not sensitive to who you think I is. I've been created for a purpose that is solely his. Know what I'm worth and hey, don't plan on playing games.
And last but not the least, we have contestant number 19, Madrika Chaudhry.
Stick closer than a friend and watch that fire deep inside you never die.
Let us welcome up all on stage, all contestants once again, ladies and gentlemen. Keep the applause going.
Who you gotta be, what you gotta do, what you gotta say.
We have Josephine's Emily and Brigadier K. Surong.
We also have Neha Hajong and Isa Delia Barre.
We have Agnes Lingdo and Bashika Warlaitma.
Would you also give a round of applause for Elizabeth Lingdo and Ila Risa Tomni?
Also, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Sanjita Thapa and Jolene Lingdo.
Again, in front of you is Rimika Shilla and Nimrat Ranhotra.
Taking the stage one more time in their recycled costumes is Wandapi Karbamon and Jerwin Kongsit.
Only some can understand it. The kind of swag that only comes from my design. See, I'm not sensitive to who you think I is. I've been created for a purpose that is solely his. Know what I'm worth.
Give it up once again for Ariana and Prakati.
Say his name, Jesus the only one. Stick closer than a friend. And watch that fire deep inside you never die.
For the last time, it's contestant number 17, Ibansara, and 18, Khasa Sangma.
And finally, your contestant number 19, Matrika Chaudhary.
Did you enjoy that recycle round, ladies and gentlemen? Well, the show has just started to continue. Right now, we are about to witness a fashion show which is a fusion of the Northeast culture. We will get to witness a Northeast fusion fashion show by none other than Badashisha Nongdong and a collection called Kintu by Robert Rintathyang. I am sure all of the contestants have just made it difficult for our judges to be choosing who the best of the best are going to be this evening. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Fashion Society Shillong is trying to put up the best of the best show that you could witness this evening, ladies and gentlemen. We will be witnessing a lot of performances this evening that is curated just for you, each and every one of you who's present here. In just a short while, our models will be wearing a collection that is going to be created by Bada Shisha Nonglong and a collection called Kintu by Robert Rentathiang. Ladies and gentlemen, we will get to witness a Northeast fusion collection which is designed by Bada Shisha Nonglong. Ladies, give it up for our models, all wearing a collection from Bada Honshisha Nonglong. Ladies and gentlemen, Bada Honshisha had been crowned Miss Winter Princess 2024, organized by Fashion Society Shillong, and is a talented fashion designer, having completed her bachelor's degree in fashion designing from Sikkim Manipal University. She has showcased her designs at several notable fashion events, including Balat Beach Festival, South Asian Games Fashion Show, EDM Fashion Show Festival, and the Cherry Blossom Festival. In 2024, she launched her own label, Bada Boutique, specializing in wedding dresses as well as women's and children's apparel. Her collection is an inspiration from art, culture, and travel, creating timeless pieces that beautifully tells the story. This round has been sponsored by Fashion Law Journal. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves because we are going to witness another Northeast Fusion collection that is going to be presented to you by Kintu. Ladies and gentlemen, that is Robert Rintathiang. That was a feast for our eyes, ladies and gentlemen. That was a Northeast Fusion fashion show by Bada Honshisha Nonglong and Robert Rintathiang. And may I give you a brief description about Kintu. The word Kintu, taken from the local language of Nongkleo village in the eastern West Khasi Hills district, means to uplift. And that's exactly what this project stands for, to uplift artisans, creators, and entrepreneurs from Northeast India. Founded by Robert Rintathiang from Shillong, Kintu is an e-commerce platform that connects traditional craftsmanship with the modern digital world, empowering local communities and preserving cultural heritage through ethical trade. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the Northeast Fashion Show.
Coming up next is another performance, but more of a cute one. The Birke Government LP School Music Club was established in 2022, bringing together students and young people from the Birke community. Guided by Sir Shempanglin Cardosao, the club provides free vocal and instrumental music training. Beyond music, the club focuses on building confidence, encouraging moral values, and uplifting talent among children and youth in rural areas. Recently, the club released its first official music video titled Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, La, Ti, Do on the YouTube channel Kakryang Kinongkendong, meaning the voices and the rhythm from rural areas. Ladies and gentlemen, would you please welcome the little performers of the day, Birke.
Nangking ban rai ban kenut surhi lagi cing rai. Kini ki api ke kita prateli kita do re mi fa sol la ti do. Tunggu ini Royla. Kan nang kamsu tenat syushu di mentangin ni rai di ketrets.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for our little angels. Their voice, their aura is just mesmerizing. Before we move on with the third round of the pageant, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to highlight a few points on the work that Fashion Society Shillong has been doing over the years. Ladies and gentlemen, Fashion Society Shillong was established in 1983, where the first Miss Shillong beauty pageant had been hosted, and ever since then, the society had been hosting this event annually, and going further to organize the Miss Northeast Beauty Pageant Contest and Northeast Supermodel Contest, which rotated from state to state.
FSS had also organized the first Shillong Prince and Mrs. Shillong contests. Sporadically, since 1983, Fashion Society Shillong has hosted at least 100 numbers of shows which caters to the fashion sense of everyone around.
Fashion Society Shillong, in collaboration with the Public Health Engineering, Forest and Environment, as well as Power Departments, Government of Meghalaya, they have organized campaigns on Swachh Bharat Mission, which was held at the Sacred Grove, Mauplang, Smith Market, and Umyam.
The society has hosted musical events too, such as the popular Elvis and Beatles show, Nostalgia, Rewind, the ABC and DEF show, and a tribute to the late Rana Kharkongor.
Besides that, Fashion Society Shillong has also hosted a cultural cum fashion show for the Thai delegation at Pinewood Hotel, a showcase of Western, Indian, and traditional apparels, coupled with traditional musical rendition, mesmerized the delegates. The society also took part in the NIFT Kolkata Annual Awards, besides presenting a fashion show at the Pearl Jubilee of Meghalaya House at Kolkata.
The society has even presented a traditional and fusion ensemble at the IITF New Delhi. The society again did shows with NIFD Shillong, NEZCC Mizoram, and promoted many designers, singers, anchors, dancers, and other performing artists over the years.
To provide a platform for the designers of Shillong La and Ensemble, which had been held at the Caroline Swimming Pool as a competition for designers. The best designers who were awarded the Black Mannequin Award for male apparels and Silver Stiletto Award for the best female creations. Fashion Rock had also been organized in collaboration with EFAC, where a live band provided music accompaniment to the models sashaying down the ramp.
A personality development workshop had been organized in collaborations with NEHU Yuva Kendra at Shillong Youth Hostel. Expert resource persons interacted meaningfully with the participating youths, which made the program an empowerment tool for them.
Over the years, Fashion Society Shillong has also fielded candidates to the phase of the Mystic East contest at Imphal, Manipur. During the Northeast Festival, the society hosted a glam night for the participants at Polo Grounds, Shillong, and ethnic fashion show for the delegates at the Usosotham Auditorium during the arrival of the Queen's baton of the 2010 Commonwealth Games. Again, along with the Directorate of Sericulture and Weaving, the Magical Threads of the Northeast was hosted at Shillong, Kolkata, and Mumbai. These are just a few of the events and activities of the society.
In collaboration with the Directorate of Sericulture and Weaving, Fashion Society Shillong has showcased the designs of Duncan Carmon in the traditional and fusion categories at the second Lasubon Festival 2011.
In the past, several celebrities have graced the society's events, such as scene actress Moon Moon Sen, Zeenat Aman, and Kelly Dorji, models like Rahul Dev and Shikha Swaroop, noted socialite Bina Ramani, and video jockey Kim, amongst other noted celebrated names.
Besides all the accolades, Fashion Society Shillong has also donated to charity and provided financial assistance to Jyoti Strot Shillong School for the Blind Missionaries of Charity, SOS Village, Orphanage at Jayao, Joai Secondary School, and Bethany Society.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this year we are proud to say that Fashion Society Shillong is celebrating its 42nd anniversary, and we can only wish the society the very best as years go by. So, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to welcome up on stage again all the contestants for the third round? I am not feeling the energy. Are you ready? All right. The third round is called the Wild West Round. And ladies and gentlemen, see it for yourself because the girls are going to be looking for.
Let's go, girls. Come on. I'm going out tonight. I'm feeling alright. Gonna let it all hang out. Wanna make some noise, really raise my voice. Yeah, I wanna scream and shout. Get a little out of line. I ain't gonna act politically correct. I only wanna have a good time. The best thing about being a woman is the prerogative to have a little fun. Oh, 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 they're totally crazy. Looking at my lady, men shirt, short skirts. I feel like a woman.
This ain't Texas. Ain't no hold 'em.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number one, Josephine Imlik. Give it up for her.
And throw your keys up. Stick around, round, 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 round. Stick around. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come pour some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real live boogie and a real live hold down. Don't be a bitch, come take it to the floor.
Taking
now.
the stage is contestant number 2, Khubor Shillong.
That shit ain't pretty. Rugged whiskey. We surviving. Of red cup kisses, sweet redemption, passing time, yeah. Ooh, one step to the right. We headed to the dive bar we always thought was nice. Ooh, run me to the left, then spin me in the middle, boy. I can't read your mind. This ain't Texas. Ain't no
Look at our next stunning cowgirl, contestant number 3, Neha Hajong.
So pack your Lexus, throw your keys up, stick around, round, 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 round. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come pour some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real live boogie and a real live hold down. Don't be a bitch, come take it to the floor. I'll be damned if I cannot dance with you. Come pour some liquor on me, honey, too. It's a real live boogie and a real live hold down. Don't be a bitch, come take it to the floor now.
Up on stage is contestant number 4, Isadelia Barre.
This ain't Texas, ain't no hold 'em. So lay your cards down, 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 down. So park your Lexus and throw your keys up. Stick around, round, 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 round. Stick around. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come pour some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real live boogie and a real live hold down. Don't be a bitch, come take it to the floor now. Woo! There's a tornado in my city.
Dazzling the stage next is contestant number 5, Agnes Lingdon.
We're surviving. A red cup kisses, sweet redemption, passing time, yeah. Ooh, one step to the right, we headed to the dive bar we always thought was nice. To the left, then spin me in the middle, boy, I can't read your mind.
Looking like your typical cowgirl is contestant number 6, Bashika Warlaitma.
So pack your Lexus, throw your keys up, stick around, round, 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 round. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come pour some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real live boogie and a real live hold down. Don't be a bitch, come take it to the floor. I'll be damned if I cannot dance with you. Come pour some liquor on me, honey, too. It's a real live boogie and a real live hold down. Don't be a bitch, come take it to the floor now.
Rocking that hat like a crown is contestant number 7, Elizabeth Lingdon.
This ain't Texas, ain't no hold 'em. So lay your cards down, 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 down. So park your Lexus and throw your keys up. Stick around, round, 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 round. Stick around. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance
This
with
round
you.
is only heating up with contestant number 8, Ila Sarah Tomni.
Come take it to the floor now. Woo! There's a tornado in my city. Get the basement. That shit ain't pretty. Rugged whiskey. We're surviving. A red cup kisses, sweet redemption, passing time, yeah. Ooh, one step to the right, we headed to the dive bar.
Them
We
boots
always
sure
thought was
looking
nice.
good on contestant number 9, Sanjita Papa.
Then spin me in the middle, boy, I can't read your mind. This ain't Texas, ain't no hold 'em. Lay your cards down, 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 down. So park your Lexus and throw your keys up. Stick around, round, 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 round. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come pour some sugar on me,
She's
honey,
ready
too.
to hit the horse. It's contestant number 10, Jolene Lingdon.
I cannot dance with you. Come pour some liquor on me, honey, too. It's a real live boogie and a real live hold down. Don't be a bitch, come take it to the floor now. This ain't Texas.
Oh my, all she's missing is a horse, I guess. Next up is contestant number 11, Rebecca Shillong.
Keys up. Stick around, round, 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 round. Stick around. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come pour some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real live boogie and a real live hold down. Don't be a bitch, come take it to the floor now. Woo! There's a tornado in my city. Get the basement. That shit ain't pretty.
Cowgirling the stage is our next contestant, number 12, Nimrat Ranhotra.
Passing time, yeah. Ooh, one step to the right, we dive bar we always thought was nice. Ooh, run me to the left, then spin me in the middle. Boy, I can't read your mind. This ain't Texas, ain't no hold'em. Lay your cards down, 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 down. So pop your Lexus, throw your keys out. Stick around, round, 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 round. And I'll be damned if I can't slow
Walking down the stage for you is contestant number 13, Wonderful Carboboy.
Come take it to the floor. I'll be damned if I cannot dance with you. Come pour some liquor on me, honey, too. It's a real live boogie and a real live hold down. Don't be a bitch, come take it to the floor now.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your next cowgirl up on stage, contestant number 14, Jarwin Kongsit.
That shit ain't pretty. Rugged whiskey. We're surviving. A red cup kisses, sweet redemption, passing time, yeah. Ooh, one step to the right. We headed to the dive bar we always thought was nice. Ooh, run me to the left, then spin me in the middle.
Up next is Pretty Lady ready to knock you down with not her gun, but her looks, is contestant number 15, Ariana Watri.
Pop your Lexus, throw your keys out. Stick around, round, 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 round. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come pour some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real live boogie and a real
She
live
is
hold down.
going contestant number 16, Pragati Thapa.
Come pour some liquor on me, honey, too. It's a real live boogie and a real live hold down. Don't be a bitch, come take it to the floor now.
Coming up next to you is contestant number 17, Ibansaran
Lay your
Nongro.
cards down, 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 down. So park your Lexus and throw your keys up. Stick around, round, 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 round. Stick around. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come pour some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real live boogie and a real live hold down. Don't be a bitch, come take it to the
She's
floor
your
now.
cowgirl in town,
There's a
contestant number 18, Hasa Samla.
Basement. That shit ain't pretty. Rugged whiskey. We're surviving. A red cup kisses, sweet redemption, passing time, yeah. Ooh, one step to the right. We headed to the dive bar we always thought
Ready
was
to whip
nice.
you down is our last contestant, contestant number 19, Matrika Chaudhary.
In the middle, boy, I can't read your mind. This ain't Texas, ain't no hold'em. Lay your cards down, 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 down. So pop your Lexus, throw your keys out. Stick around, round, 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 round. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come pour some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real live boogie and a real live hold down. Don't be a bitch, come take it to the floor. I'll be damned if I cannot dance with you. Come pour some
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that Wild West round has just been curated specially for you by none other than Mrs. Reebhawar Linkoy. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mrs. Reebhawar Linkoy. Reebha is a passionate dance choreographer with a deep love for art and performance. Over the years, she has been honored with several titles, including Miss Beautiful Skin in 2018 and Winter Queen in 2024. She has also had the opportunity to model for a tattoo magazine and serve as a judge for various shows. And she believes in staying humble and grateful, as every achievement is a blessing from God above. Her journey continues to be guided by faith, dedication, and the desire to inspire others through her work and passion. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Mrs. Ribhawar Linkoy.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, can you give a big round of applause for your cowgirls this evening?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to hit a break for a moment, but before we do that, we cannot help but to thank all our sponsors who have powered this show this evening, without whom this wouldn't have been possible. We'd like to thank all our sponsors this evening, beginning with the Department of Arts and Culture, Government of Meghalaya, MS Amrit Singh Electrical Work, MB Electricals, we have Kintu, we have Meghalaya Tourism, we have Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank, we have Max Cement, we have RGS, we have Studio Pravi, we have Shillong Hyundai, we also have MJ's Fashion, we have the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, we also have the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, we have NIFT Shillong, we also have the Fashion and Law Journal, and we'd like to thank our media partners, Maupor and Don Bosco Media Network, and last but not least, we have Goenka, Rilla, Where Faith Begins, and Bada, as well as MIM.
And we would also like to thank a few more people. Tandia Construction Limited, Amlan Sur, Kailash Tharad, Rajesh Singh, Kit Warba, Senel Karsantev, Pankit Wardjri, Ashok Singhania, Kishore Kalra, and Dr. Eva Suchiang. Thank you all for sponsoring and helping this happen.
Thank you very much. Stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. Another round of the beauty pageant is about to begin in the break after a short while. Ladies and gentlemen, you may head out for a short break, grab yourself some tea or coffee or some snacks, and you better come back here because the night is going to be more glamorous. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the 42nd edition of the Miss Shillong Beauty Pageant. And I think you've had a wonderful time, but we have more in store for you at this moment. But before we move on with our show, we have with us a very important guest, the chief guest of this evening, Shri Paul Lingdo. Shri Paul Lingdo is our chief guest this evening, and he is currently serving as the advisor to the government of Meghalaya. He is also the member of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly from Mauprem constituency. May I request our volunteers to kindly felicitate our chief guest. Let us give him a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you so much for being here with us tonight. And before we move forward, again, we do have a small token of love for our judges that we have prepared for you. And I would love to call Sir Robert Rintathyang, the designer of Kintu, to help us out with giving out the gifts to our judges.
Let us give a huge round of applause for all our judges. They are going to be the ones who's going to determine whom our next Miss Shillong would be. And I'm sure it's going to be a very difficult task for our judges. Thank you very much, Robert. And now, before we move on with the fourth round of the beauty pageant, which is the evening gown round, we are going to be favored by, under the fashion show, by Miss Shillong, Mary J. Maulong, and Dakawan Chua Pochna. Ladies and gentlemen, all the models will be wearing their collection that is being presented to us at this very moment. Please give it up for all our models for the fashion show by the three designers.
All right, so Mary is a dynamic 28-year-old entrepreneur with a keen eye for style. A Lady Keene College graduate, she began her fashion journey at BK Bajuria and went on to launch MJ's Fashion Boutique in 2022. In just 2.5 years, she has created elegant and comfortable designs for over 500 clients, with her work featured in pageants and platforms such as Miss Shillong, Miss Meghalaya, Miss Universe India, and Miss P&I India. With her creativity and passion, Mary continues to make her mark, proving that fashion is truly her art and expression. Can we please give a round of applause for Miss Mary?
NIFT, which is the National Institute of Fashion Technology, boasts of a very close contact with the intellectual and design set of the society all over the country. Due to the advantage of being one of the pioneer institutions coming in the state, the institute is now very well networked to satisfy the academic requirements of NIFT at Shillong. NIFT Shillong has committed itself in exploring growth paradigms and to act like a catalyst in formulating the structural roadmap for the apparel and allied industry. NEHU Shillong is looking forward to contribute towards upliftment of the craftsmen through workshops and design intervention. We will also be seeing a collection from Dhaka Wanchwa Poshna. Guided by faith and gratitude, Dhaka Wanchwa Poshna gives all glory to the Almighty for every step of her creative journey. Her story is one filled with vision, perseverance, and passion for timeless design. Dhaka began her fashion studies in New Delhi, where she trained for 2 years before continuing her education in Milan, Italy, the global heart of fashion. In 2023, Dhaka made her creative return to Shillong, focusing on customized couture and later presenting her collection on the IS show. Her signature style reflects a deep love for ladies' coats, where steampunk aesthetics meet classic goth and Victorian grace, a rare fusion defined by clean silhouettes, subtle sophistication, and timeless elegance. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves. It's the fashion show by Miss Shillong, Dhaka Wanchwa Poshna, and MJ Maulong.
High heels click on the marble floor. Mirror reflects the queen they adore. Head held high like I own the sky. Daring the world with a fiery eye. I am woman, I am fearless. I am empowered, I am sexy. I am beautiful and divine. This crown is mine, it's my time to shine. Long gown sweeping, I'm taking the stage. Unleashing power, turning the page. Strings of the violin sing my truth. Bassline pumping my eternal youth. I am woman, I am fearless. I am empowered, I am sexy. I am beautiful and divine. This crown is mine, it's my time to shine. Shatter the rules they try to impose. Red lipstick stronger than their foes. Violin cries like a battle hymn. Bass thunders loud, I'm ready to win. I am woman, I am fearless. I am empowered, I am sexy. I am beautiful and divine. This crown is mine, it's my time to shine. Daring the world with a fiery eye. I am woman, I am fearless. I am empowered, I am sexy. I am beautiful and divine. This crown is mine, it's my time to shine. Long gown sweeping, I'm taking the stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for our designers from Miss Shillong, beginning with Mehak Agarwal and Shriya Kashyap.
Bassline pumping my eternal youth. I am woman, I am fearless. I am empowered, I am sexy. I am beautiful and divine. This crown is mine, it's my time to shine.
Please also welcome welcome our next designers, Nandita Roy and Chester Gupta.
Shatter the rules they try to impose. Red lipstick stronger than their foes. Violin cries like a battle hymn. Bass thunders loud, I'm ready to win. I am woman, I am fearless. I am empowered, I am
The next design, which is worn by Laba, is designed by Sudipto and Snehan Kita Roy. We have Sudipto, Snehan Kita Roy, and Snehan Kita.
Finally, the last design is by Eclipse and Komal Kumari.
high heels click on the marble floor. Mirror reflects the queen they adore. Head held high like I own the sky. Daring the world with a fiery eye. I am woman, I am fearless. I am empowered, I am sexy. I am beautiful and divine.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting another collection from Mary J. Maulong.
Long gown sweeping, I'm taking the stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for this designer, Mary J. Mallock.
Ladies and gentlemen, our final fashion show this evening is going to be presented by a collection from Dakawanchwa Pochna.
Born in the shadows, but I rise with the flame. Darking of the city, they remember my name. Struggle made me strong, now I stand on the ground. Turning all the silence into powerful sound. Hope in my chest and the vision in my eyes. Guiding through the storm where the fallen will rise. I don't rule with fear, only truth that I bring. Leading with respect, I'm the dark and the king. Voices of the people echo deep in my soul. Every step forward is a part of the goal. No chains can hold when the spirit is free. Darking in the light, writing history. From the night to the dawn, see the future I build. Dreams never broken, only stronger instilled. Legacy eternal, let the victory sing. Darking in the light with the heart of a king.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome up on stage the final designer for this fashion show, and that is Dakawanchwa Pochna. Let us give all our designers a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this moment, we would also like to show our gratitude to one of the mentors of our contestants, Mr. Chris Kurba. He is a professional model, fashion choreographer, and mentor whose journey is rooted in humility, guided by faith, and defined by purpose. With a commanding presence and effortless charm, he has walked for leading international and national brands such as Jack & Jones, Vero Moda, Danish Rack, and Pantaloons, establishing himself as one of the most recognized faces in the Northeast fashion industry. Beyond modeling, Chris has made his mark as a fashion coordinator and creative director, mentoring aspiring talents and shaping numerous prestigious events, including Mr. and Miss Earth Meghalaya and Miss Shillong. A winner of Northeast Supermodel 2013, he continues to inspire others through his artistry, discipline, and dedication to the craft of fashion. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Chris Kurba.
Are you having a great time, ladies and gentlemen? Are you ready to welcome the contestants of Miss Shillong 2025 up on stage again? All our contestants are ready to hit the stage in their evening gowns choice. Brace yourselves because each contestant is going to come up on stage wearing the best dress to the nines. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you another round of the beauty pageant, which is the evening gown competition.
I'm calling you with all my goals, my very soul is falling through. In need of you to trust in my faith, my tears and my ways is drowning. So I cannot always show it, but don't tell my love. تملي معاك ولو حتى بعيد عني في قلبي هواك. تملي معاك
is contestant number 1, contestant number 1, Josephine Siemli. Josephine is 22, a passionate young woman with a master's degree in English from Shillong College. She expresses herself through singing and dancing, carrying grace and confidence in all she does. Believing that true beauty comes from kindness and character, she strives to uplift others with positivity, warmth, and purpose wherever she goes. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for the very beautiful Josephine Siemli.
Up next is contestant number 2, Pragati Surong. Tonight, Pragati wears a white evening gown, a color that has always resonated with her true self. To her, white symbolizes sincerity, balance, and the gentle strength she has grown into over the years. This gown reflects the creative child she once was, the makeup artist who learned to uplift others, and the young woman who worked hard to stand on the stage today. Its purity mirrors her intentions, its brilliance reflects her determination, and its softness represents her compassion for people, animals, and nature. By wearing white tonight, she presents her most authentic self, grounded, confident, and ready to rise. Ladies and gentlemen, Pragati Surong.
She steps onto the stage in a stunning evening gown, masterfully designed by Miss Dhaka. The gown
gracing the stage beautifully is contestant number 8, Ilasara Thongni. Ilasara is a confident and determined young woman from Shillong, raised by a strong single mother who shaped her resilience. A former NCC cadet and commander, as well as state-level athlete, Ilasara carries discipline and leadership with pride. Creative at heart, she expresses herself through art, music, dance, and writing. Ilasara dreams of serving the nation and making a positive impact in society. Tonight, she stands on the stage to inspire others, reminding them that no dream is too big when you dare to rise and pursue it. Give it up for contestant number 8, Ilasara Thongni.
Contestant number 9, Sanjita Thapa. This evening gown is more than just fabric. It carries the story of strength, grace, and resilience. Its design reflects a journey of growth, of challenges faced, dreams nurtured, and confidence steadily built. As she wears it tonight, she embodies elegance and that comes from within. A calm, assured beauty that does not need to shout to be seen. She stands on the stage not just as a contestant, but as a symbol of courage, self-belief, and the power to inspire others to rise, glow, and continue dreaming with purpose. Please put your hands together for the very, very beautiful Miss Sanjita Thapa.
Up next, we have the beautiful Jolene A. Lingdo, contestant number 10. Trust yourself with the possible and trust God with the impossible. That is what Jolene has to say. This 22-year-old from Shillong is currently pursuing her master's degree in philosophy. She believes that beauty is not just about appearance, but about the impact we leave on others through kindness, purpose, and action. After being crowned Miss Cherry Blossom 2023, Jolene began pursuing her own limits, discovering new strength and embracing new challenges. Tonight, she stands on the stage to inspire those who may feel unheard or unsure of their place. For her, this pageant is not simply about winning a title, it is a platform to encourage confidence, promote community upliftment, and spread hope. With grace in her heart and determination in her steps, she reminds us that we grow stronger when we believe in ourselves and lift others along the way. Ladies and gentlemen, Jolene A. Lingdo.
Contestant number 11, Khubor. She turns wounds into wisdom and dreams into action. Khubor, a dedicated nurse from Meghalaya, Joai, stands as a woman shaped by resilience. Through quiet battles and sleepless nights, she has learned that true strength is the ability to care even when the heart is tired. Her compassion is her power, and her courage is her grace. Tonight, as she walks this stage, she carries more than elegance. She carries the story of a woman who transformed pain into purpose. Every step she takes reflects hope, healing, and the beauty of rising again. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for contestant number 11, Miss Khubor.
Is contestant number 12, Miss Nimrat Ranhotra. This class 12 student with the heart of a dreamer and the discipline of a creator is aspiring to become a fashion designer who is equally fascinated by the layers and dynamics of politics. Beyond books and sketches, she runs her own home-based cake business where her creativity finds a sweet and expressive outlet. Raised in a simple Punjabi household, she carries with her strong values, humility, and purpose. For Nimrat, Miss Shillong is more than just a platform, it's a journey of growth. With every new step, she discovers strength, depth, and parts of herself she had never explored before. Here, she is evolving, learning, and standing beautifully in her becoming. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for contestant number 12, Miss Nimrat Ranhotra.
Up front now is contestant number 13, Wanda Carbamon. With the earth's rhythm guiding her spirit, Wanda P. Carbamon is devoted to turning awareness into meaningful action. At just 20, she is pursuing a bachelor's degree in social work, driven by her compassion for people and communities. Hailing from Shillong, she finds inspiration in nature, whether she is hiking through the hills, modeling, or exploring the performing arts. Her voice gently champions environmental care and sustainable living, believing that every small choice can create real change. To her, true beauty blooms when we take responsibility for one another and for the planet we share. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome contestant number 13, Wanda Harbaman.
In her beautiful evening gown is contestant number 14, Jarwin Kongsid. Jarwin is a passionate fitness enthusiast who believes that true well-being begins with caring for both the body and the mind. Fluent in 4 languages, she proudly embraces her roots in a matrilineal society where women are the pillars of strength and heritage. She is also a strong advocate for menstrual hygiene, working to promote education, break harmful stigmas, and empower individuals to speak freely about their health. With every step that Jarwin takes, she stands for strength, pride, and the freedom to live boldly and without shame. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Jarwin Kongsit.
Contestant number 15, Ariana S. Warturi. She is a 16-year-old class 12 girl, carrying herself with confidence, compassion, and a heart full of kindness. She believes that true beauty shines from within through positivity, purpose, and the courage to be authentic. Tonight, Ariana walks this stage not merely as a contestant, but as a young woman celebrating growth, grace, and the power of being and unapologetically herself. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for contestant number 15, Miss Ariana S. Warturi.
Up next in her gown is contestant number 16, Pragati Thapa. Pragati is a soul woven with courage, crowned with confidence, and guided by compassion. Pragati believes that true beauty blooms not in perfection, but in the kindness of one's heart and the strength of one's spirit. Standing for every woman whose voice was once silenced, Pragati speaks to echo their dreams, embody their courage, and remind them that they were never alone. With faith as her light and humanity as a part, she aspires to inspire, to awaken the youth, uplift hearts, and build a world where grace and strength walk hand in hand, proving that one woman's voice can become the anthem of many. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for contestant number 16, Pragati Thapa.
And now, contestant number 17, Ibansara Nongru. As the light shimmer, she walks with grace. Each step tells a story of courage and confidence. Her gown flows like a dream, elegant and serene. She carries herself with pride and purpose. Her smile radiates warmth. Her eyes reflect determination. She is beauty with strength, grace with confidence. Every move mirrors her inner glow. Every glance reveals her belief in herself. She walks not just for herself, But for every woman who dares to dream, she embodies elegance, courage, and hope. Tonight, she walks as her beauty, true self, a woman of grace, power, and heart.
Our next contestant is contestant number 18, Asa Sangma. Asa is a literature student from the proud Garo Hills. A creative soul, Asa enjoys jewelry making, costume design, styling, and writing poetry. She is also stepping into the world of cosplay, bringing her favorite characters to life. She is a food lover at heart and a devoted cat person. Asa embraces her hobbies with joy, warmth, and authenticity. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for contestant number 18, Asa Sangma.
Matrika Chaudhary. Radiating elegance and quiet strength, she carries a confidence rooted in grace. With aspirations in aviation, pageantry, and modeling, she moves with purpose and ambition. Beyond the spotlight, she finds solace in words and music, expressing her depth through journaling. Tonight, she stands as a woman who does not wait for opportunities. She creates them. Each step is a testament to her resilience, rising stronger, prouder, and truly unstoppable is Miss Matrika Chaudhary.
Her name was Kitty, made her money being pretty and witty. They gave her the keys to this city, then they said she didn't do it legitly. I bought a ticket, she's dancing in her garters and fishnets. 50 in the cast, 0 missteps. Looking back, I guess it was kismet. I waited by the stage door, packed in with the autograph hounds, barking her name, then glowing like the end of a cigarette. Wow, she came out. I said, "You live in my dream." Then she said to me, "Hey, thank you for the lovely bouquet. You're sweeter than a peach, but you don't know the life of a showgirl, babe. And you're never ever gonna wait. The more you play, the more that you pay. You're softer than a kitten, so you don't know the life of a showgirl, babe. And you
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for your 19 contestants of Miss Shillong 2025.
What a lovely audience we have this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give another huge round of applause for all our contestants here up on stage, as well as for yourselves. You've been cheering up all night, and I do hope that the girls are feeling truly confident because of your support this evening.
And this is one of the moments we've been waiting for and the girls have been anticipating. This is the subtitle round where our beautiful 8 girls will be given subtitles. Are you guys ready?
All right. I'll just give you a heads up again. After this round of distributing the subtitles, our 19 young ladies will be narrowed down to a top 10, and then they will be answering a common a question and answer round. We begin with the first subtitle this evening, which is Miss Tantalizing Tresses. And to give out this title, may I please request Miss Loretta Ladu to be coming here up on stage. Our Miss Tantalizing Tresses goes to contestant number 7, Elizabeth Lingdor.
Her pearls of wisdom, hung them from my neck. I paid my dues with every bruise, I knew what to expect. Do you wanna take a skate on the ice inside my veins? They ripped me off like false lashes and then threw me.
Can we give her another round of applause? Miss Tantalizing Tresses is contestant number 7, Miss Elizabeth Lingdor. Thank you, Loretta, for joining us on stage. The next subtitle is Miss Silky Skin. Oh, how I wish I got this. And every girl is looking forward to this, for sure. And to sash the Miss Silky Skin, I would like to call Ellerine Shanpru on stage. And Miss Silky Skin 2025 is contestant number 5, Miss Agnes Lingdor.
You're sweeter than a peach, but you don't know the life of a showgirl, babe. And you're never ever gonna wait. The more you play, the more that you pay. You're softer than a kitten, so you don't know the life of a showgirl, babe. And you're never gonna wanna. I took her pearls of wisdom, hung them from my neck. I paid my dues with every bruise. I knew
Thank you very much, Ms. Ellerine Shanpru.
on the ice inside my veins. They ripped me off like false lashes and then threw me.
I am in awe with the energy of the girls up on stage. They are still smiling beautifully. And this next subtitle is also known as Miss Alluring Smile. Any guesses? To give out this title, may I